we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Plus, the 3 Kids books is time to re-educate. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. Now, of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now, the market is flat. But, guys, we know back is around the corner. We're going to get into that later. And this article states, can Ethereum beat Bitcoin to all-time highs? And right now, no. The reason why I know is because we know the Fed is controlling the cryptos and stocks. Now, when we go on that utility run, yes, definitely Ethereum can hit all-time highs before Bitcoin. But guys, make sure that we're focused on the actual indicators. We have volume. We have Tether, which of course right now is at $64 billion. Remember last month it was just sitting at the $62 billion. Also, we have USDC. Now we have Crypto.com is using Circle's API to launch USD bank transfers in over 60 countries. And remember what Brian Brooks and Jeremy said? They were working on the United States global stablecoin, and that's exactly what USDC is looking like. Now, do not forget about the Fed, guys. They're doing over $1 trillion a day. We know on that Friday and Monday, it's like $2 trillion out there. So that's the reason why stocks and cryptos took that pullback. We know why that's happened. The masses don't, but we understand the finances. We see the manipulation right in front of our face. Also, just like I stated, we have back, guys, tomorrow. We know we're going to have a pullback, but we got to keep our eye on Grayscale. Remember, Grayscale is at will. Are they going to sell or are they going to buy during this period? And that's going to let us know whether we're going to be taking a big dump or just a small pullback. And guys, I was going to save these articles to the end, but it's too funny. Those in my Patreon know I just did a video talking about this. And I think either Sunday or Monday I did a video going over it briefly, guys. But guys, this is definitely 2 funny articles. And what I speak about, building the narrative. And these 2 articles are so funny. Now, we have China may align itself with the Taliban to exploit Afghan rare metals. And then also, is China about to tuck Afghanistan under its Belt and Road? Guys, this is so funny. We know the movie is being built up so it can become reality. But getting over into the actual crypto news, guys, we have 1inch announces deployment to Optimism Layer 2 solutions. And guys, we know that's about faster transactions and lower fees. Now we have Michael Burry, of course, the Big Short, shorts Kathy Wood's ARK Innovation ETF. And guys, we all know when this stock market crashes, we know all of them are going to take a hit just like normal. If you know anything about the stock market, yes, it crashes, but we know the New World Order stocks move right back up. And we know Kathy Woods is looking 5-10 years down the road. She knows what the fourth industrial revolution is going to look like the same way he does. Now we have the Philippines Union Bank taps Hex Trust to test digital asset custody service. Also, we have Mike Novogratz unfazed by Galaxy Digital's $175 million loss in Q2. If you look at all the stocks and you compare it to cryptos, yes, they all took a loss. But then basically you start to see those big gains years down the road. And that's what Mike Novogratz is looking at. Again, the fourth industrial revolution. Now we have Galaxy Digital files for an ETF that provides indirect exposure to Bitcoin. And guys, again, we know they're betting on the price, not the actual physical Bitcoin. Now we have Bridgewater, Citadel, Tennessee Treasury are holders of Coinbase stock. And guys, you know I've done several videos on Brian Armstrong that they're building the digital global economy. And we know who's behind that, Andreessen, my God. Now we have Facebook, David Marcus says Novi Digital Wallet is ready to come to market. And guys, we know how important that Facebook platform is going to be. If you understand Know Your Customer, they just about have all of that information sitting right on that platform. Now we have Blockstream Energy expands power options for Bitcoin mining. And guys, we know Blockstream is in charge of what? Bitcoin Lightning. Now, Blockstream has introduced Blockstream Energy, its new service for energy producers to sell excess electricity to proof-of-work miners, combined with connectivity provided by Blockstream satellite. The new service is designed to expand the potential reach of Bitcoin mining to renewable energy sources, even in remote locations. And guys, we know what the climate agenda is about, and that works perfectly around it. Now we have the Netherlands says Binance is operating without the required legal registration. And again, guys, the attack on Binance. The movie continues. Now we have John Cena is dropping an NFT before SummerSlam. Again, adoption, guys. They use the puppets, actresses, athletes, billionaires to move the sheep. Now we have emerging markets dominate the chain analysis of 2021 Global Crypto Adoption Index with Vietnam, India, and Pakistan leading. And guys, what do I talk about? The emerging markets are leading us into the fourth industrial revolution, especially the Asian connection. Now we also have the Bitcoin mining firm Iris Energy goes public. And that's a direct listing, guys. Not your financial advice, not financial advice. Please do your own research. Now we have ETC Group to list crypto ETPs on Vienna Stock Exchange. And again, guys, these legacy products are being moved over to crypto tokenization and blockchain. And then lastly, guys, we have Fidelity says that 90% of their biggest clients are interested in accessing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And we're talking about Fidelity with trillions and trillions of dollars of assets, guys. We are about 12 months before they push that button to make all of this go live. Yes, it's going to take about 4 or 5 years for the transition, but next year, this thing goes live, guys. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because I know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Plus the 3 kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, new video today. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got that home stocks of C-Word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York. From COVID Stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.